Hey everyone, it's Friday, the August 1st, and I'm working on an AI solution for some fashion topic here. So what I have is this. I'm right now. Let me see. Let me share my screen. So I'm in N8N, and I've been building with different AI agent models, basically, or solutions. There's different ways to approach this, and so this is the one that I've landed on here. And so I just wanted to share a little bit of an update here. So I have on my drive here, I've got a folder where I drop documents in, and these documents are, like I say, fashion-based documents. So this one here is called Quirky, and it describes the quirky aesthetic. So this aesthetic is playful, bold, retro, whimsical, and expressing. And then we've got different kind of keywords that one can use, and those keywords are all grouped into sections like tops, bottoms, dresses, that kind of thing. And so the idea is that all these different documents that my wife builds and curates, they feed her reselling business. So she refers to these documents, like let's say cabin core. She refers to that as her place to understand which keywords would work best for any particular item of clothing. So what we're doing is in N8N, I'm building this solution here to basically, well, this in this yellow area here, we're gonna interact with the documents. Um, through a chat interface. Over here, this is where we're retrieving them from a vector store in Supabase. And then along the bottom here, these are the ways in which we either add new documents, or if something is updated, these triggers kick in, and we look it up in the Supabase database to see does it already exist, and if so, delete the entries and then replace it with the update. And basically that all goes into a vector store. So, um, let me demonstrate here how this works. So let me just reset the chat down below. So, as I pointed out, we've got cabin core and quirky. So let's just take a look here and let's see cabin core. So plaid flannel shirts, right? So we know that's part of cabin core. So let me go in here and ask the bot. I'm going to say I have a plaid flannel shirt. Is that or what? Let me see. Let's try what aesthetic would that fall under? Okay, so it's gonna check the knowledge. You can see it doing its thing up here. And it says a plaid flannel shirt falls under the cabin core aesthetic. And then, so that's good. It identified that. Now let's say, I'm going to say how about what other kind of tops would fall under that? So what other kinds of tops would fall under cabin core? Okay. Plaid flannel, cable knit sweaters, thermal Henley. And if we look here, that's all these shirts. So, or these tops. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing here. And so I'm going to be ingesting all the rest of the documents that we currently have. I don't know, there's probably 40 or 50 of them. And then once that RAG database is, or vector database, I should say, is populated and working well, then what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to build a front end for that. So I'm going to use I'm planning to use Lovable, and I've had a little bit of experience with Lovable, but not too much. But I'm learning quickly, and I think this is the one that I'm going to lean in on. And basically, I'm going to use Lovable to build the front end. and it's going to have authentication and pricing connected to Stripe. So when our intention is to resell this or to sell this chatbot to other resellers who have a need for this. So I'll be sharing more as I build out in Lovable the interface. So if you're interested in this topic of how this AI solution comes to fruition, keep on watching this channel.